addition, perfect. I'd like to do a video on my first ever paintball gun, the Piranha GTI Plus. This is not a Rampage, just a regular semi-automatic. Let's go ahead and pull it out of here. Oh, and by the way, that thing that I just stepped on was this. It came in the packaging. This stuff's fun though. Whatever, okay. So obviously, we got the Piranha GTI Plus. The 9-inch barrel. Keep forgetting on which way it goes in there. Okay. 9-inch barrel. Double trigger. Aluminum clamping feed neck. Came with a warranty registration, a Piranha player card, some information on the gun, tension thing that says if the gun's broken to send it into them, and a pretty nice color manual. It's all color. It tells you top 6 questions answered, paintball safety rules, operating instructions, compressed gas or air, velocity adjustments, specifications, maintenance and lubrication, troubleshooting, warranty, and diagram. So, that's pretty cool. Also in the package, it came with barrel plug instead of a barrel condom. Okay, pink one, cool. I like pink. Okay, got the barrel plug in. Ta-da. One thing I don't really like about it is how hard it is to turn the safe off, because you gotta like pull this thing back or something. I don't even know how yet. It's pretty hard. Other than that, the trigger's pretty bad for walking it. Pull that out. And it also came with, let's see, a spring, some extra O-rings, came with a low velocity thingy, and some Allen keys. So, I guess I will be back later for the review. I'm still waiting on my tank and everything. This is just my first gun. Okay. Can't wait till I get my other crap in. Well, I guess I'll see you next time.